in central Illinois, Burke County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, north central Ford County in east central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sonneman, or 9 miles southeast of Dwight, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Largest hail is expected over western Kankakee and southern War counties. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Limestone, Cullum, Gabbery, Shannon, Kempton, Odell, Dwight, Elwood, Wilmington, Bonfield, Union Hill, Campus, Coal City, Mantino, Simonton, Lakewood Shores, Aroma Park, Godley, University Park, Gardner, Manhattan, Buckingham, Crete, and Bradley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect